So let's say I want to change the momentum of an object a lot. Let's say I want to change the momentum of object by 1,000 kilograms meters per second. Those will be the units of momentum. So momentum is mass times velocity. So kilograms times meters per second, the unit of momentum. So let's say I want to change momentum by 1,000 kilograms meters per second. Now, this idea of impulse being force times time gives us two different ways how we can get this change in momentum. We could change this momentum or momentum of an object by this much by using a very, very tiny net force. Very, very tiny net force, if the tiny net force is acting for a long time. So I could have the net force equal to 1 Newton. But if the net force is pushing for 1,000 seconds, it will produce the change of momentum of 1,000 kilograms meter per second. So if a force of 1 Newton is acting on on 1 kilogram of mass for 1,000 seconds, it will produce this huge change in momentum. Now the other way is to change this momentum by that much is to act with a huge force, maybe 1,000 newtons. And that force could change this momentum this much in just 1 second. So 1,000 newtons times 1 second is going to be equal to 1,000 kilograms meters per second. So to change momentum of objects by a lot can be done in one and two ways. Either by acting with a tiny small force for a long period of time, or I can use a large force, and that force can be in contact with the object just for a short amount of time to still create a huge change in momentum.